So today we will make some quail jerky and dried neck and dried food with the dehydrator. So along the way, what I for sure want to do is like collect some data. So how much weight does the bird have? How much jerky I get out of it? How much weight I get from the necks when they're dried or when they're raw. So that I maybe I can use this data for further, for do something with it. At the moment it's just like a prototype or an experiment, just take the quails and convert it to a dog's neck, but you never know, maybe you can turn the hobby into a business or whatever. So let's show me first the dehydrator. This I bought new, it was pretty cheap, it was on a discount, it looked pretty nice. We will try and see how it goes. Then here is like the jerky gun. So and there I have the thing for mash the meat. So so let's see how it goes. First I want to take the weight of the meat and of the neck and the things like this and write it down, so I can then further analyze how expensive you would have to sell this, or how much it does actually cost at the end. Because especially I think quail jerky, I think this will be very expensive at the end, because there's no moisture anymore inside and it will be very dry and will have less weight. But I will see. I for sure take some data. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first I want to see the meat, so that I know before drying and after drying how much it actually weighs. So I make this in grams, not ounces, or because and I think I need to cut this even a little bit smaller. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is 1 kilo and 78 gram. It's from 12 birds. I had 14 birds. 2 I gave to my father-in-law. He likes to eat them, so he just eats 2. He's a pretty skinny guy. And yeah, okay, it's about 1 kilo. So I go on clean my hands first and then keep on doing. Okay, so I clean my hands so I can write down all the quail meat. So then I think the first thing I will do as well is prepare some cutting board that I can cut this, because I think I will not be able to put this in the grinder whole. So I'm just back in a moment. So I hope you can see me. So it's a typical Thai style kitchen, so it's not like in Europe, but it's doable. So first I will put the grinder together. It's an easy thing to do. I was looking for this online quite for a while. My wife lost it, and then you need to have like from these specific models, they're all not the same. You need to find the right one, which was pretty difficult to find it for a reasonable price, because some they sell this stuff like crazy expensive. And I found, if you're looking like for spare parts for anything, whatever it is, it is actually not so easy to find. Okay. So I take a quick, how much does this weight? 160, 163. So I think we fire this thing up. So I think we're done. Yeah, let's check it out. First I take the weight, how much volt up I have, or how it called, or how much I lost from the process. It was 163, right? And this is yeah, a little bit. So let's check it out if there is something still inside. Yeah, here's a little bit meat and bone stuff. I will give this to the chickens. I will be happy. So this will go to the sink for cleaning, and I just back in a moment. So let me just get the weight again. I have to write it down. So more or less, I just want to get an idea. I just want to get an idea how much I get out of the quail, how much I lose during the process, how much weight the end product, to make like a cost estimation for, yeah, maybe you can turn your hobby into a business or whatever. So okay, this is after, I even don't know how it is called in English. If you meat grinder, yeah, after meat grinding, that was it, yeah. Okay, after meat grinding. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then I make this ready, and the gun. I'm just wondering, is the front and the back the same? I saw actually a YouTube video, that's why I do it. I think it's a German guy who lives in America, and he does quail jerky, and I saw his video and I thought I will try the same. And coincidentally, I ordered this jerky gun, and I watched the video yesterday again to check something out, because I didn't remember about the dehydrator settings, and I saw he used exactly the same jerky gun. It's like it's a coincidence. So okay, so I just gonna clean my hand again for safety, and then maybe I take a spoon as well or something, and then I'm back. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, well, I would say this jerky gun, my impression is it's not so of good quality, but if I start something, I like to start pretty cheap, because this is just a hobby. If you like invest a bunch of money and at the end you find out it's nothing for you, it's then better start off with cheap. The quails, when I started to have quails, I invested about $100 for all together. So for hatching eggs, for incubator, for building an aviary and so on. So, and then first try and see. Yes, I think that looks not too bad. Yeah, that's now embarrassing. Okay, now it's gonna work. So, and first time ever, so I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. Okay, now it looks actually pretty nice, I would say. So it looks tasty. God damn it! Maybe I have to take a knife as well. Okay, I put here a knife as well, because I just so I don't know how many rows I get on here. It's also interesting question, you know, how many trays you need, just for, it's like a project. So I ordered some packaging. I also creating a website to this. I call it Lanta Jerky, and yeah, it's just like a prototype for try it out and everything. I'm not sure if I get 4 rows on this. I don't have all video material, because at one point the storage was full and it wasn't recording anymore. I will check out what I have. So let's have a look. The jerky, the necks and the feet, they are in the dehydrator now. It's running 71 degrees Celsius. and I will check now after 3 hours. The jerky will be, I think, finished the first, and the next they will need a bit longer. So have a look at how it looks inside the dehydrator. So as you can see, I have a few racks with the jerky, then the 2 racks with necks, and 1 rack with the quail feet. The jerky, I must say, it looks pretty tasty. So I hope my dog will enjoy it, and the rest is maybe for presents, and if somebody has pets, can give some for presents. So what I would say, I really enjoy to create things and do things. Before, or me, I was more like a consumer. Work for a company, you work, and in your free time you spend your money, and I think this got to change, because also there is less and less work available, so you have to find your own ways how to get things done. And it's a great thing just to produce and do things by yourself. You can't much compete with the big companies, but you can get high quality food with very little investment and just with time and effort. And yeah, you just need to learn and adapt and keep on going and try on new things. And I know from experience most things are not perfect. And you have to try it and improve and learn more, and you get better along the way. So I would say thanks for watching. Next video will be more about packaging. My target is to create labels. I started to create a website as well, so with a QR code, then you scan like the QR code on the label and you get redirected to the website. So that's my ideas, like for the whole project for the quail. And it's more an idea to see how much does it cost to raise the quail, how much does it cost to produce it, how much time it takes, and to collect some data. And then I don't know, maybe or maybe not, it makes sense to go in a business direction with it, or just do it as a hobby and produce some dog treats for the own dog sometimes, and that's it. So we will see. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and have a nice day.